Facebook has given Nigeria opportunity to monetize their Facebook page. Okay, some months ago, Facebook delegates came to Nigeria to see the government of the day and to have an agreement on how Nigerians can start monetizing their Facebook page. And July 1st of this year, Facebook allowed Nigerians and Ghanaians to start monetizing their Facebook page. But how do you check that this is actually true? I want to show you how you can verify it yourself. So this is my Facebook page. So I will come here, click on this my icon. I will come, let me go back so that you can see what I'm talking about. You see, this is my Facebook home page, and on the left hand side, we have about 5 icons. Okay, now you see the notification bar. This notification bar here, you come to my profile. This is my picture here. Okay, click on it. Once you click on it, you will see Mrs. Daramola. That's my page. Then go to professional dashboard. You can see professional dashboard. Click on professional dashboard. From the professional dashboard, you scroll down. This page has just 412 followers. So you scroll down, you will see monetization under tools. Click on monetization. We want to know if actually your page has been given that privilege to monetize their Facebook page. So the next thing I will do is I will scroll that 5 things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. You can earn money from stars, ads on reels, bonuses, live ads, in-stream ads. They are all with conditions. So the common one is in-stream ads. That means Facebook will start placing adverts on your videos that you have created on your page. That's what it means. Okay, so let's click on it. Once you click on it, just scroll down. You will see eligibility criteria. For this particular page, we have 2 of 5 criteria. You reside in an eligible country, very important, and that is what we want to verify if Nigeria has been given the privilege to monetize the citizens' Facebook page. Okay, you want to know if Nigeria is eligible country. Click on this eligible country, click on it. Okay, just click on it and let's see the list of countries. Okay, scroll down. You will see in-stream ads are available in these countries and territories. So you click on it, just click here, click on it. Let's start scrolling down. Okay, you will see Ghana. Ghana was also given that. Look at Ghana. See Ghana here. See Ghana. Ghana was given that privilege July 1st. Let's scroll down to N. Okay, can you see Nigeria? This is Nigeria, guys. So you can start monetizing your Facebook page by uploading video content. Okay, uploading video content. So you have the privilege to start sharing content, and there are so many content that you can share. Okay, and get your Facebook page monetized. Okay, so if you want me to create videos on how you can monetize your page, the type of content that you need to share, then go to the comment section and let me know the type of videos you want me to share or create, so that I can go through it and start creating such content for you. If this video has really makes sense, please, number 1 is for you to subscribe to my channel. Then I want to hear from you. Tell me what the videos that you want me to create, and share it in the comment section. I'm Mrs. Daramola. I run Facebook advertising agency, and I create content on Facebook advertising, how to grow your Facebook page, how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, sales marketing. So if you have any challenge, just put that challenge on the comment section, and definitely I will go through it and create content just for you, just to make sure that you are also making money online. Okay, I also train people on Facebook ads. If you want to know how to earn money, if you want to learn how to earn money using Facebook advertising, or you want to set up your Facebook advertising agency, you can send a DM to me on 08034313770, and I will, of course, you can enroll for my mentorship course on Facebook ads or Facebook and Instagram ads, or you want one-on-one mentorship on how to set up your Facebook advertising agency, you can get in touch with me. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.